Today's featured pickup truck is a 1968 Chevrolet C10 Custom short box. And this one is one you don't see very often. It's a ground up restored nut and bolt restoration on a 6-cylinder, basically a basic truck with the chrome bumpers. And someone did a super job restoring it. It looked great with the two-tone paint, the green with the white roof, and then it has a two-tone green interior in it as well. And it came out very nice with the got the red striped tires on it. Can't tell if it's an automatic or a 3 on a tree. I didn't write it down. Looks like it's probably a 3 on a tree. That was the standard transmission for them. But you could get the power glide or the turbo hydromatic in it. So, but it had just enough chrome on it to look good, and it had the white grill on it as well. And then you got the dress up on the 6-cylinder engine with the chrome valve cover and a chrome air cleaner with a looks like a Holley carburetor, but had power brakes as well, so wasn't strip out by any means, but it came out real nice. It was definitely an eye catcher, that's for sure. And as far as the truck goes, this is part of the second generation of the C10, which went from 1967 through 1972. And General Motors actually called it the Action Line, which that's different, but I don't think anybody refers to it that these days. But it's definitely a good-looking series of trucks right before the square bodies came out in '73. And after the 60 through 66 models, which were the first generation of the C and K of the models. But anyway, that's today's featured pickup truck of the day, a 1968 Chevrolet C10 short box fleet side with a 6-cylinder engine and a ground up restoration done to it that I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Truck Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my channel page, Truck Finder, and you can look for something else that looks interesting to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.